And Dr. Pomerantz, please explain to us on the panel and also for everybody who's watching today, just breaking it down in layman's terms for us, what this law means. If I, as a member of the media, were to go to Russia for the games, what I might fear, what spectators, consumers who book their flight, as I opened our show today saying that we have, you book your flight, it's an expensive trip to make, and if you're gay, maybe you don't want to necessarily go there. What is it that you can share with people so we have a better understanding of this law?
On paper, it establishes certain administrative fines for distributing propaganda amongst minors, promoting different non-traditional sexual lifestyles, essentially. And like so much legislation, it is extremely vague and open for interpretation and for abuse. So it's very unclear to what extent it means when certain activities might be directed towards minors. And the law is so vague as to talk about simply promoting the interests of non-traditional sexual lifestyles. So the problem with the law is, one is obviously the community that it's directed against, but also is that it is so broad and so vague, and that the terms are not defined. And what is the tradition of these types of Russian laws is that the government officials arbitrarily fill in the details. So what you have to be worried about or concerned is simply how people will interpret your actions when you head off to Sochi. Now, President Putin has essentially given various assurances that this law will not be applied to people who aren't engaged in these types of activities.